Alright guys, a little bit of S10 work. As you guys know, in the last video, I said we ordered some rockers from Virtual Speed Performance and some poly locks and some lash caps. And here's one of the old rockers. It was hanging up down here. I mean, I can't even turn that. And then here's the new one. There's a set of Proforms. Honestly, a pretty nice rocker for the money. Plus you get poly locks and stuff like that. You got some new lash caps because this motor, for some odd reason, did not have lash caps. So yeah. We're gonna put those on, and we're gonna, try and knock it out real quick. Most of them on there. I'm gonna adjust the ones that we do. We are missing this one. Can't find the push rod. Somewhere between here, the trailer, our garage, and Patriot Pump and Well Repairs garage. So he's actually looking for it. So gonna go ahead and I'm gonna adjust these right this very second. At least these four and those back ones right there, and then we're gonna move on over there. So yep. Side 95% of the way done. You're gonna go to the passenger side, which he's working on right now. What you doing? Taking the rockers off?
Yep.
Funds. That's fun. We're trying to go to Out for Blood 4 this weekend with the old S10 here. And get it dialed in because there is a bracket race the following weekend at YouTube Central, where everybody does YouTube, Brainton Motorsports Park. A Wally bracket race. It's where you win a Wally. All right, fellas, we got all the rockers adjusted, lash caps on, studs on, and pretty much that's all done. Got the did find that other push rod. Got that rocker up in there and adjusted.
You know where it was?
Where was it?
Up your ass.
It was up my ass. I had to stick something up there to look for it.
Magnet.
He is you're just scraping your life away. He's scraping the silicone off the intake. And I'm gonna start scraping the silicone off here. That way we could start getting this thing bolted back up and ready for this weekend.
Yep, maybe.
All right, everybody. Here's Virtual Speed Performance part of the week. We got a MSD digital ignition tester. So this is a brand new open box item on our open box section of the website. This allows you to test your MSD boxes. You could test MSD 6 series, 7s, 8, 10s, like a digital 7 or MSD 6AL, and so on. So It's brand new. Comes with all the stuff that's in original box. Brand new. Just open for pictures. Very clean because it is new. And here is the part number 8998. Has the instructions, everything you need to test your MSD 6, 7, 8, and 10 ignition boxes. So head out to our website, virtualspeedperformance.com, and the link to this will also be in the description below.